What's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Vapes It Easily, coming at you with another video today. Talking about a new mod tank combo that we're selling in the shop now. This is it right here. It's called the Vaporesso Polar. Pretty cool looking mod. This is the tank that comes with it. This is the Baby Cascade, the Baby Cascade SE, to be exact. It uses the NRG coils, so it doesn't use the same Cascade coils, so it is a little bit lower wattage, but the Cascade is not really known for the coils, more so as the way that the tank works. Pretty much leak proof, does leak a little bit, but everything bottom proof does a little bit. And then the fact that the tank is not all that big, but it still holds a lot of juice. So just made a smaller one, uses the energy coils, which I like a little bit more anyway. But as far as the mod goes, works like anything else would. I got your fire button here, got your buttons on the bottom for wattage. Your middle button is going to be your menu button. That's going to cycle through your temperature control modes, your settings, stuff like that, just like everything else. Inside your box, you're going to have extra coil, you're going to have extra glass, extra O-rings, and then you're going to have some other stuff as well. Inside the other side, open this up, you're going to have your booklets, pamphlets, all that stuff, teach you about the product. There's a warranty card in here as well, and then you're going to have your fancy charger that Vaporesso always gives you. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you got any questions or anything about the Vaporesso Polar, make sure you guys leave them in the comment section below. We'll be sure to get back to you. Appreciate you watching the video. Hope to see you in the shop sometime.